Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to split text on Google Sheets. Now, splitting text in Google Sheets is useful when you want to break up data within a single cell into separate cells, like splitting first names from last names or separating values based on commas, spaces, or other delimiters. So here are several methods that you can use to split text in Google Sheets. So the first method is to use the split text to column feature. How do you do that? Highlight the cells that contain the text you want to split. And here, I'm just going to add some values, Ruth, Esther, and that's John. So go ahead and highlight the cells that contain the text. For example, if you have a full name, that's John Doe in a single cell, select that cell. Or let me just go backspace and just select one cell. So in this, it's going to be like Ruth, and let's say Ruth Esther. So I have selected the cell. So once you've selected the cell, go to data, all right, menu at the top corner. So once you click on data, go ahead and click on split text to columns, which is here from this option. So split cells to columns. Now, after selecting split text to columns, rather, a small menu will appear at the bottom of the selected data, which is here. So go ahead and click on the drop down arrow and choose how you want to split the data. So you can choose comma. For comma, you can use comma if your data is separated by commas, or you can use space for splitting first and last names. You can use semicolon, you can use period, or you can use custom. That you can customize any. If you have any custom delimiter such as dash or slash, you can choose any of that. But in this place, I'm going to use a semicolon. So that's it. The text will now split into different columns based on the selected delimiter. So that's it. That's the separator. I don't know if all right, so if you're actually using a comma, this is what you get for using that comma. And if you're using semicolon, this is what you get. If you're using a period, this is what you get. And if you're using a space, this is what you get. And it just literally splits the name between cells. So that's pretty much the process. That's the first method to go about this, and this is pretty much the easiest way to go about splitting the cells. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.